Hi, this is Todd Olthoff, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. This week we'll be looking at a complete photo management and editing solution by Skylum software called Luminar 4. Now, we've covered Luminar version 3 in the past, but with all of the recent updates, including some changes to the interface and the addition of new powerful editing tools, we thought it would be a good idea to take another look at the application. In many ways, Luminar 4 is a competitor to Adobe's popular Lightroom application, which pairs photo management with the editing tools photographers find most useful. As a result, Luminar 4 has its own version of photo management and its own unique set of tools to help you edit and enhance your photos to make them look their best. Because of all of the new features, we will do a two-part series. In this first screencast, we will take a look at getting started with Luminar 4, including installation, setup, how to organize your photos, and some basic editing features. So let's get started by taking a look at some of the unique problems that Luminar addresses. Whenever we take a look at an application, it's good to take a look at whether it is right for you and addresses a need or a problem that you might have. Now, because there are so many photo applications out there, you may be wondering what makes this application different from the others. Well, first off, Luminar 4 is a feature-complete application when it comes to photo editing and management. In the past, there were not a lot of good photo management applications that also combined powerful editing tools, with the exception of maybe Adobe's Lightroom. Well, Luminar 4 was designed to cover most of your photo needs in one application. Now, for those who like the editing tools in Luminar 4, but prefer to use something like the Photos app to manage and organize their photos, Luminar 4 also includes a plugin that can be used with applications like Photos, Lightroom, and Photoshop. Now, Luminar 4 also has some unique editing tools that handle multiple edits with the click of a button, whereas it would take multiple steps and hours of time to match what Luminar can do that quickly. So that's another advantage of why you might want to use this application. Luminar 4 also does not lock you into the application when it comes to photo management because it integrates with the Finder. So any changes that you make to your folder structure in Luminar 4 will show up in the Finder and vice versa, so that it keeps those things in sync. And so that is a very unique feature that you don't find in many other photo editing or organizational applications. Now, another reason to use the application is for those who have used Lightroom in the past and are not happy with the subscription model that's now required to use the application. Luminar 4 provides both a purchase option and a subscription option, so you can choose whichever works best for you.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.